Hello, everybody. I hope we're all doing amazing. This is Amanda McClurkin here with you today, shooting a screencast with Screenomatic to discuss the PSA that I have created. It's a billboard of a dog in a shelter and a statistic that says 6 to 8 million cats and dogs are sheltered each year. Adoption saves lives. I do have credible sources for both the picture and the statistic, brought to you by Humane Society and AnimalLiberationFront.com. The point of this billboard is to raise awareness of the amount of animals that are sheltered yearly. The point is to encourage adoption and discourage people from breeding or buying animals from pet stores, since, as we all know, animals that are unable to be adopted are unfortunately put down, and most breeders would be shocked to know how many of their animals are actually sheltered after being adopted into homes, including purebreds. To deliver this message as effectively as possible, I chose this image here. As we've all seen those commercials where there's a dog staring behind the jail cell with the big puppy dog eyes staring into the camera, I think that this image hits home for a lot more viewers and a lot more animal lovers. As you can see, this dog is huddled in a corner. He looks pretty skinny. His head is down. He doesn't even want to look up into the camera, and I think that that will really capture a lot of emotional appeal from our viewers. I also do have this topography in stencil because to me that reminds me of somebody who's in prison, so I think that that will come across that way to our viewers as well. I chose these tones to be pretty dark and gray to give off this sad, monotone, uh, melancholy message or vibes to our viewers. And I chose this font to be red because I think it'll represent a lot of bloodshed of the animals, and I also wanted it to stand out amongst the rest so that people driving on the highway, they'll definitely be able to read this font and see this image of this dog, and those are the two most important things that I want people to get out of this. I also had this frame the dog so that it never really takes your attention off of this main focal point right here. So I wanted to keep this message as simple as possible because people who are driving on a busy highway are not going to have a lot of time to pay attention into detail. So I think that this will work the best. And I also have a little logo down here by Humane Society. So yeah, thank you guys for taking time out of your day to read into the screencast with me. If you have any feedback, I would like you to let me know. And I hope you have a wonderful day. Thank you.